What is aerosol? Aerosols are among the lightest solid materials known to man. Aerosols are the world's lightest, least dense solids. Aerosols are a class of synthetic, porous, ultralight material derived from a gel in which the liquid component for the gel has been replaced with a gas without significant collapse of the gel structure. The story of aerosols: 99% air. An aerosol material can range from 50% to 99.98% air by volume, but in practice, most aerosols exhibit somewhere between 90 and 99.98% 8% porosity. Aerosol comprised of a microporous solid in which the dispersed phase is a gas. This results in a solid with extremely low density and extremely low thermal conductivity. Aerosols can be made from a variety of chemical compounds. Silica aerosols feel like a fragile styrofoam. Silica aerosols feel like a fragile styrofoam to the touch, while some polymer based aerosols feel like a rigid foam. One is fragile styrofoam and other is rigid foams. Silica aerosols are most common type of aerosol and the primary type in use or study. Although there are varieties made from other materials like carbon metal oxides and more recently polymers. They are created by combining polymer with a solvent to form a gel and then removing the liquid from the gel and replacing it with air. Aerosols are produced by extracting the liquid component of a gel through supercritical drying or freeze, freeze drying. The first aerosols were produced from silica gels. Kistler's later work involved aerosols based on alumina, chromia, and tin dioxide. Carbon aerosols were first developed in the late 1980s. What is the chemical formula for aerosol? Linear formula SiO2 silicon dioxide. IUPAC name is dioxosilane. IUPAC name is dioxosilane. Structure of aerosols. The structure of aerosols is characterized by an interconnected nanoarchitecture. This unique structure is achieved through a process called supercritical drying, which avoids the collapse of the gel network that would occur during conventional evaporation. This is interconnected nanoarchitecture structure of aerosol as shown in this figure. History. The first documented example of an aerosol was created by Samuel Stephens Kistler in 1931 as a result of a wait with Charles learned over who could replace the liquid in jellies with gas without causing shrinkage. He is Samuel Stephens Kistler, who was born on March 26, 1900, died on November 6, 1975 at the age of 75 years. Nationality American, known for inventor of aerosols. What is the raw material of aerosol? They were originally developed for use in space as insulating material for space suit and also storage medium for gases and solids. The raw material from which aerosols are made is amorphous silicon dioxide, known in the building industry as potassium water, glass, or silicate. Where is aerosol made? The first aerosol, silica aerosols, highly porous forms of silica or silicon dioxide, were made at Stanford University in 1930s, but it was not until the 1970s that they were put to practical uses. Today, aerosols are commercially produced only in Sweden for the use in nuclear particle detector. Only in Sweden for use in nuclear particle detector. Properties: encapsulated aerosol fiber has excellent thermal insulation while also being mechanically robust. However, cellulosic aerosols suffer from high flammability and hygroscopicity. Aerosols are solid, rigid, and dry material that do not resemble a gel in their physical property. Pressing softly on an aerosol typically does not leave even a minor mark, and pressing more firmly will leave a permanent depression. Pressing softly on a aerosol typically does not leave even a minor mark, and pressing more firmly will leave a permanent depression. Aerosols have a porous solid network that contains air pocket, with the air pocket taking up the majority of space within the material. Aerosols are good thermal insulator because they almost nullify two of the three methods of heat transfer: conduction, they are mostly composed of insulating gas, and convection, the microstructure prevents net gas movement. Aerosols are poor radiative insulator because infrared radiation which transfers heat passes through them. Due to its hygroscopic nature, aerosol feel dry and acts as a strong desiccant. Strong desiccant. People handling aerosol for extended periods should wear gloves to prevent the appearance of dry brittle spots on their skin. Prevent the appearance of dry brittle spots on their skin. The slight color it does have it due to rarely scattering of the shorter wavelength of visible light by the nano-sized dendritic structure. Nano-sized dendritic structure. This causes it to appear smoky blue against a dark background and yellowish against a bright background. Smoky blue against dark backgrounds and yellowish against backgrounds. Aerosols by themselves are hydrophilic. Graphene aerosol does not float, however, because this extremely porous material is filled with air, which makes its buoyant force less than its masses. General purpose procedure to the synthesize an aerosol by sol gel technology and critical point drying. Second, typical silica aerosol monoliths with different shapes and morphology. B. Micro-sized silica aerogel. C. TEM micrograph of the typically interlinked structure pattern of a silica aerosol. Cross-linking gelation CPD precursors sol gel aerosol. A is 1 to 10 centimeter, B is 100 micrometer to 1 mm, C is 50 to 100 micrometer. In next lecture we will discuss about applications of aerosol.